1 or 2 years ago, when I asked my wife for the wedding, and she said maybe I will say yes, but I need a very specific wedding band. The complexity when you produce a ring like this one, it's to find someone who understands the way I want to produce it and to have the technology to do it. So thanks to the WORST project, I visit the production site here in Italy.
The work project, we met Mr. Samuel Gassmann, and we also have the opportunity to have a very good relationship with him to start to have a new project together.
For me, it was very interesting to print directly in metal, because somewhere it's like a dream, because I'm working in a very traditional way, and I need to draw something and then a lot of process, and just to say, oh please send us an image and we will print it in metal directly. It was like a dream. It was for me really interesting to understand better how they are working, how we are today, and where we can go maybe in the future. For me, the result was amazing, even if it's not perfect, because it's a new technology. And so now I have too much information in my mind. I have to clean everything to make it square, if is it possible, and then I get back to them to try to see how we can work in the future.
So we will be very happy to start with him this project, and we hope that in future we can collaborate more.
It's really amazing to work with this new technology just at the beginning of it today.